Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make a custom box for decorating your Roblox Studio island. We'll model it, texture it, and then bring it into Roblox Studio to add more life to your world. Let's start by modeling the box. Begin with a simple cube, then use the Boolean modifier to cut out the top face and hollow out the box shape. You can also use small cubes with Boolean cuts to make slits or handle holes on the sides, giving the box a more realistic look. Keep the design low poly so it's performance friendly in Roblox. Once the box is shaped, unwrap the UVs so the textures will map correctly. Assign a placeholder material, like a simple wood tone, so it's easier to identify different surfaces later when texturing. Now let's texture the box in Substance Painter. Apply a wooden plank material for the outside and a slightly darker tone for the inside of the box. Add some roughness variation, scratches, or dirt to give it a worn, realistic look. When you're happy with the result, export the textures. Next, let's import the box into Roblox Studio. Use the Asset Manager to bring in your 3D model, then apply the textures you created. Scale the box to fit your environment and duplicate it around your island. For example, place it near houses, markets, or docks to add more detail. And that's it. You now have a custom decorative box in Roblox Studio. Small props like this can make your world feel more natural and immersive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Roblox Studio building guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.